Yes. Get the ball, honey. Get the ball. Good job. 1, 2, excellent. Don't call her over, but you could click and walk. You could click and walk. Come on, honey. What do you do to signal her right now? Good. That was good to walk over. Yeah, but you don't want to tap. Good job. Okay. All right, so there's a little bit of a pause right there, which I don't love, but at least we got a good round in. Stop staring at me.
All right, ready?
Good job. Okay. You want to go every 5? Just do it every 5.
Sure.
Just reset it.
How do you?
Come on, honey. Come on. Ready? Ready? Go. Go, 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 go.
End.
Penny.
There's 1, there's 2.
That's
There you go.
excellent.
Oh, keep coming. Keep coming.
Good. Good job, honey. Can I see that one more time? That it's not just weird accident? Yeah! Is there something in that?
No, there you go.
Tell me when she's done, Matt.
Done.